Hello everyone, today we have a 2018 GMC Sierra K2500 Denali HD. This has a clean title. The Carfax notes, minor incident. And this Duramax 6.6 liter Turbodiesel is sounding good, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. So it does have the fog lights and the tow hooks up front. Polished chrome alloy wheels. See, it does have a tow package there. And steps in the bumper. You see that it does have spray on bed liner, bed cover, power sliding back window. See, it does have leather seats. Go ahead and show you this van, and I will upload some still photos as well. There we go. Bose sound system, 2 driver presets, your 2 and 4 wheel drive and trailering. Come over here and you'll see that it has 64,563 miles on this vehicle. Your heated steering wheel, and then your cruise control, push to talk, trip computer toggles, and your ignition and key fob. And as you look down here, you see you have 2 USBs there and a 110 volt outlet right here, and then 2 12 volts. And you see that it has both cooled or heated front seats. Here are your comfort controls, disc drive. For your radio, let's go ahead and yep, that sounds good. Go ahead and bounce on back home, and then there is the navigation. You're going to see the backup camera. You pop it in reverse. There's the backup camera. And then you got your Bluetooth, texting, and projection. Alright, so you come down here and you've got your glove compartment, sunglasses holder, map reading lights, and your sunroof. And that about wraps it up for this Denali on the interior. Oh, it does have wireless charging for your phone. This vehicle does have a clean title. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.